Do you regularly suffer from constipation or irregular bowel movements? Research suggests that 15% of the Americans are victims of chronic constipation, which is a dangerous affliction. Such digestive diseases lead to the buildup of waste on the walls of the colon. The colon performs many essential functions. The malfunctioning of the colon can cause serious health implications such as skin allergies, gallbladder stones, heart diseases, etc. Many have found that performing a colon cleanse is an easy preventative to avoid colon problems in the future. Easy and quick home remedies that you can use. Green vegetables. Leafy greens are nutrient powerhouses. They are all rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse the intestinal tract and as a result soothes the colon. They also help detoxify the liver and protect the body from the toxins in the environment. You can boil or steam the veggies, add them in soups or slightly salt with a little butter or olive oil. Ginger. Ginger has antiseptic properties and is beneficial as it stimulates digestion. It can be added to any juice or can be eaten directly. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and honey, mix it in 1 cup warm water. This mixture can be consumed twice a day. You can also make a smoothie using 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 apple, a cup of spinach, 1 carrot. Blend all these ingredients with 1 cup water and your smoothie is ready. Drink it once a day to ensure proper functioning of the intestinal tract. Juice is made by using apple and lemon. Apples and lemons are both rich in nutrients that improve the digestive action such as vitamin C and A, antioxidants, and fiber. You can make delicious juices from these fruits. Take 1/2 cup apple juice, add 2 tablespoons lemon juice and a teaspoon of ginger juice. Mix it in 1/2 cup of warm water. You can drink this mixture once a day to help detoxify the colon and encourage proper digestion. Apple cider vinegar. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar helps flush out waste from our body while retaining the useful bacteria. It can be taken along with honey to cleanse the colon and restore the digestive system. Mix raw apple cider vinegar and honey in equal quantities, 2 tablespoons. Mix it in 1 cup water and drink it once daily. It will not only remove the toxins but has tons of other benefits such as preventing diabetes and lowering bad cholesterol. Eating fiber-rich foods. Fiber is excellent for keeping your bowels healthy and cleansing the colon by eliminating waste out of our body. You can include grains such as beans, lentils, quinoa, oatmeal or vegetables like peas, artichoke that are high in fiber. Raspberries, mango, figs, and coconut also help nourish the colon. Sea salt and water. Water plays a significant role in detoxifying our bodies. When the colon is dehydrated, it is easier for the toxins to stick inside and form a buildup. You need to consume at least 2 liters of water every day to ensure optimum functioning of the colon. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt to ½ liter water and drink it before breakfast, before you eat anything else. Drinking the mixture encourages bowel movement and improves digestive health. Chia and flax seeds. Both these seeds are superfoods that are high in fiber. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in the colon and remove the built-up toxins. You can add a teaspoon of the seeds in water and drink the mixture, make a pudding or sprinkle them over salads. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in 1 cup water for 5 to 10 minutes, so the fiber can perform its optimum function by absorbing water. Mix the seeds in about 1 cup of yogurt. Consume this mixture 4 times a day for about 4 weeks to cleanse the intestinal tract. Performing a colon cleanse is vital because it does not only eliminate bacteria, but also promotes weight loss and prevents various diseases. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.